Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in GetWallah platform. As you guys know, whenever any important IIT's admissions portal open, we will try to provide you the complete details about it. So guys, IIT Bhilai also open their admission portal, and here also you can check the application portal for the admission for M.Tech program 2026-27 is live, and they are offering M.Tech in multiple disciplines like bioengineering, biomedical devices in the bioscience and biomedical engineering department, computer science and engineering department, data science and AI department. Similar, you can also check electrical engineering, power system, power electronics, control and instrumentation courses are there. Electrical technology courses are also there. Electronics and communication engineering, communication and signal processing, microelectronics and VLSI courses are there. Similarly, material science and material engineering and mechanical engineering, design and manufacturing, thermal and fluid engineering courses are there. Mechatronics courses are there. So guys, those students who want to apply, you can also check the respective gate paper requirement is also mentioned. Like computer science, you have a gate scorecard in CS, DA, EC, electrical, MA, PH. You are eligible to apply. Similarly, you can check for the other courses which gate paper requirement is there. Similarly, if you talk about guys next, then like those students who want to know more about these M.Tech programs, like which type of academic syllabus is there, it's also attached. My application form is activated from March 2026 and the last date is April 2026, and the shortlisting they will done in May 2026. So those students who want to apply, first you need to register yourself in the COP portal. Once you register your COP registration number, if you have, then you can visit IIT Bhilai website. In this website, you need to complete your application procedures. The all the like apply online link and application payment link is activated. So those students who are interested to apply, they can apply. Cutoff for get through the COP is also available here. So here you can also check the cutoff for the same. So you can check the cutoff and accordingly you can apply. And the placement part and other thing we will cover in the another session. So you can join Kuldeep sir underscore PW Telegram channel for stay connected with the all the updates. Thank you so much. We will meet in another video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.